Okay, here we go again. After 1 week, they came out. Stress-free and enjoy eating. Time check 1:30 in the afternoon. Okay, the weather is partly cloudy. Almost rain. See, but they enjoy. This one is China. Her name is China, and 2 kids. They are triplets, but the other dulling is not surviving or survive. Only this one. Dulling and buckling. Our future buck. BM goat. Our buck. Future. Okay. Black and red. Okay. Mother is red. Father is black. Okay. See, look, the horn. Okay, but the other one is bigger than this one. Okay, China. Also that one traditional, maybe 1 week or 9 days. Almost 9 days giving birth. Also red and white painted. Also priggy. Okay. Okay, China. By the way, China is priggy also. She's priggy. Although got priggy. Okay. 005. So she got stunned 4 days from now, and this one is a stunt. Ricky came from Bless Farm in Sariaya, Quezon, US red. Okay. And this one is mix. This one, Catherine, her name. Also preggy. Mix Boer and Anglo-Nubian. And also this one, her her kids or daughter. Also mix. See? Anglo and Boer. This one also Pregi 009 Pregi. Maybe this next year. This, see? All Pregi except like that smaller, and this one except